You are watching and playing Sega Channel, the video game channel that has been still working fine on TV. Sega Channel is off the air today. Why? Cause Sega Corporation is going to sue Sega Channel cause of the home screen and don't switch to that old ass looking Nintendo. The channel will shut down on July 31, 1998 cause of ceasing broadcast. Goodbye and farewell forever. And now, our national anthem.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, Lutheran stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming.
Sega Channel was a cable operator that is selling on the United States, United Kingdom, Japan, South America, and other more. Sega Channel was owned by Sega Corporation. Time Warner Cable was owned by Time Warner. Our studio and offices are at New York and Burbank, California. Thank you all and thanks for everything.
This is Sega Channel on July 31st, 1998. Well, this is it then. The final broadcasting that ended. Goodbye and thank you. And we will shut down the broadcast with our national anthem and the grave. Thank you to all Sega Channel members of all staff.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, Lutheran stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, for the ramparts we watched were so
Please stand by for this important message.
Turn off your TV right now. Sega Channel has ceased broadcasting as of July 31, 1998. This has been upgraded to a tornado warning. Lock all windows and doors immediately to survive the tornado. Command post out.
Civil authorities in your area that the characters from the Sega Channel are rising from the dead and attacking the living. These characters are identified as Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, Amy, Dr. Robotnik, Rister, Striker Fighters, and other more. Lock all windows and doors immediately, as they are extremely dangerous. Use a weapon like a AK-47 or a knife or a crowbar. However, if you don't have a crowbar, just get a literal nuke and kill those bitches. Please stand by for more updates.